A judge has ordered the Archdiocese of New Orleans to stop asking questions about students' disabilities when they apply to Catholic schools.
Yeah, this one is a major development in a disability discrimination case David Hammer first reported more than a year ago. Here's David with that update.
Chris Edmonds and his 16-year-old client, known only by her initials ER, went to court this week and won a major victory.
It's a preliminary ruling, but it is a very big ruling and a landmark ruling.
That ruling by Judge Ellen Hazur blocks the Archdiocese of New Orleans from asking prospective students about their disabilities. Questions like, please list any physical limitations, please list any learning disabilities, or does your child have a vision, hearing, speech, or developmental delay? Another Edmonds client says those questions kept her 9-year-old son Blake from attending Catholic schools.
It's awful. He has dyslexia. He doesn't have something that he can't learn.
ER has cerebral palsy. She's wheelchair bound but gets good grades in school.
She's fluent in French. She's currently being homeschooled, but her parents want her to return to the Catholic system. And you know, our suit is trying to open the doors, not just for my client, but for all students with all types of disabilities.
But when ER tried to apply to Mount Carmel Academy 3 years ago, her mom got this voicemail from the school's president before she even met ER.
We don't have the accommodations, and I do think our academic program would be substantially difficult for her.
Last October, the Archdiocese said it had removed those questions from applications. It claimed that made the lawsuit moot. But Edmonds says the church needs to be held to it with a court order.
You can't violate the law and then stop violating the law and then avoid accountability just because you've now stopped violating the law.
Court records show the Archdiocese paid outside attorneys at Jones Walker more than $100,000 to try to keep the case tied up in the church's bankruptcy. That was ultimately unsuccessful, and the discrimination case now moves forward in state court. David Hammer, Eyewitness News.
Last year, the Archdiocese said it does not discriminate against any children, but today a spokesperson declined to comment on the judge's ruling.